representing the team XPLO from Michelin Institute of Technology. In the category of student innovation from the theme Transportation and Logistics, we will come up with an innovative idea that addresses the challenge of being stranded on national highways due to vehicle breakdowns. Apart from traditional methods of dialing helpline numbers and Google search, our solution is a comprehensive platform where the user can easily log in and access a wide range of services provided by the registered mechanics. Upon logging in and granting location access, the user can locate the nearby registered mechanics, check their availability status in real time, and seamlessly book their services. Furthermore, our platform provides live navigation assistance such that the user can track their mechanics arrival. In addition to that, we also provide an emergency SOS function which alerts the nearby police station in out-of-hand situations. Our solution is not only to attend to the immediate needs of the customers, but also to empower the local mechanic businesses to help them thrive and become more efficient in serving their company. In the next 50 seconds, we will be depicting a prototype of a solution.